Hello, and thank you for joining me. For those of you who may not be familiar with Elcom, we are a supplier of electronic components with a focus on the product categories you see here: wired connectivity, industrial, wireless connectivity, and RF components and interconnects. Currently, we offer more than 34,000 products and continue to add more every month, covering a wide array of cables, adapters, connectors, and many other products serving the engineering and manufacturing markets. Our products are for that customer that needs to build something today and ship it tomorrow. Everything from industry standard products to unique configurations, which help meet engineering design budgets in their proof of concept design, which can then lead into mass production orders. Today, we're going to focus on Elcom's ruggedized harsh environment solutions. Our ruggedized line of products range from finished cable assemblies, connectors, adapters, and NEMA enclosures that meet and exceed environmental conditions where standard products can't survive for the life of the device. For example, Elcom has a wide breadth of products that can provide a complete solution for modern automated manufacturing. As you see in this example, products that go from the control room through the manufacturing process to the test lab. Products ranging from switches and extenders to the cables and enclosures, providing you with a complete solution. Let's take a look at ruggedized cables we offer. Elcom has ruggedized cabling that can survive in a harsh environment where cables with an IP rating, jacketing options of LSCH and high temp and high flex are a must to ensure the life of the product. We offer armored jacketing, double shielding, gasketing, mill standard connectors, and much more from our off-the-shelf product inventory. In addition, all the cables meet the industry specifications for electrical performance. Moving on to our adapters and couplers, much like the cable assemblies, these products complete the IP ratings and provide a complete solution while meeting our customers' expectations. NEMA enclosures are a key component to any outdoor product solution. Elcom offers a large variety of products which include base boxes to fully customizable enclosures that meet the NEMA standard. From fans to thermostats, we can provide an enclosure that will meet any of your needs. Elcom currently services many industries, including medical, industrial automation, and government and military applications. In addition, the other products that are needed for today's device solutions include ruggedized and harsh environments. Every product that Elcom has on its website or in its catalog is in inventory, an off-the-shelf product, meaning it's in stock and ready to ship same day or with a very short lead time. We can also provide you with a custom product that would be manufactured to your specification with a short lead time and minimal order quantities.